We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.